If you own a Serger but feel intimidated every time you try to use it, you're not alone. Maybe it's still sitting in the box, or perhaps you've tried using it a few times, only to end up frustrated with tangled threads, uneven stitches, or skipped seams. Sound familiar? The truth is, a Serger is one of the most powerful tools in your sewing arsenal, but only if you know how to use it properly. With its complex threading system, multiple tension dials, and fast-moving blades, a Serger can seem like a machine meant only for the experts. But here's the good news. Once you understand how it works, a Serger can actually make your sewing easier, faster, and more professional looking than ever before. No more staring at a maze of threads and dials, feeling lost. Learn the simplest way to thread your Serger so you can get started in minutes, not hours. No more skipped stitches, puckering, or broken threads ruining your projects. Know exactly how to troubleshoot and adjust tension, differential feed, and stitch settings to get flawless results every time. From perfectly rolled hems to clean overlock stitches, your garments and projects will look like they came straight from a high-end boutique. Once you master your Serger, you'll be able to finish seams, create decorative edges, and even construct entire garments in a fraction of the time it takes with a regular sewing machine. But here's the problem: most Serger manuals are confusing, overly technical, and leave you with more questions than answers. And while you could spend hours watching random YouTube tutorials, the trial and error approach can be frustrating, especially when different machines have different features. That's why we created the Serger sewing course, Love Your Serger, a simple, step-by-step system designed to help you truly understand your Serger, so you can stop feeling overwhelmed and start creating beautiful, professional quality projects with confidence. This isn't just another generic sewing guide. It's a hands-on, beginner-friendly roadmap that takes you from Serger confusion to Serger mastery. Whether you're completely new to serging or just need help troubleshooting common issues, this course will help you unlock the full potential of your machine and start sewing like a pro. Understand what makes a Serger different from a sewing machine and how it can take your sewing to the next level. Step-by-step guidance to threading your machine without stress, plus foolproof tips to make it even easier. Learn exactly how to adjust tension, differential feed, and stitch width to get perfect stitches every time. Stop wasting time trying to guess what's wrong. We'll walk you through the most common Serger problems and how to fix them in minutes. Master the key stitches your Serger can create, from basic overlock to beautiful rolled hems and flatlock seams. Put your skills to the test with step-by-step projects that help you gain confidence while making something useful. Imagine the possibilities. Instead of feeling stuck and frustrated every time you look at your Serger, picture yourself sitting down, threading it with ease, adjusting the settings without a second thought, and sewing up professional-looking garments, home decor, and crafts in record time. No more wasted fabric, no more guesswork, and no more feeling like you're not good enough to use this amazing machine. Ready to finally master your Serger? Join Serger Sewing Course, Love Your Serger, today and take the first step toward unlocking your Serger's full potential. No more frustration, just confidence, creativity, and beautifully finished projects. Click the link in the description to sew like the pros do. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.